Mic check. Mic check. Might have to talk a little louder. Just a little. But it's okay. Because that's what we're going to do.
Hell yeah, that shit hit me. I was like, what the fuck?
What's up, guys? D-Lo Higgins here, back with another fucking video for y'all. So look, before I start this, I need y'all to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Sorry, I got a little tongue twisted. I won't lie, guys. These connections, I kind of fuck with better than push terminals. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this one has single tensile leans. This one has double. Woven, stitch, I don't fucking know. But dual, two of them, going both sides. I fucks with that. I don't like these little shits. I feel like they break. They can't really hold. This is supposed to be 3,500. Supposedly. Fuck out of here. Piece of shit. What's up? We back. D-Lo Higgins, baby. 26. We got little kind of review. I'm gonna move this mic up. Feel like y'all still can't hear me or something. But got a little kind of unboxing for y'all. I made a video yesterday. Somebody said I wasn't talking loud enough, so I guess I have to talk a little bit louder for y'all so you can hear me. If this ain't loud enough for y'all, then I don't know what to tell you. Matter of fact, I'll even cut up the mic, the volume on the microphone itself. I think that's as high as it will go. So, yeah. So, little backstory. I blew my VXF D2s by Scar Audio. One of them came. I didn't know. One of them came like. I ordered both of them at the same time. Got a little tongue twisted. I'm sorry. I ordered them both at the same time, but I only had enough room to run one of them. So I put one in the closet. Didn't really pay it no mind after that. And then, so I didn't know that one of them came with a coil, I mean not a coil, but a terminal reading of 1.2. They are a D2 sub, so it should have been a 1.8 to 1.9 to a 2.0. I didn't know that until like it was like a year. It's like a year and fucking 11 months or something. So I put it in the car. It had a bad rattling noise, so I took it out the car. And I ran with the other one that I've been beating on for like the last year and a half, 2 years. And made a box for two of them. Put both of them in there. One of them, the one that was reading 1.2 blew. So I was like, fuck it. I threw that one to the side. And then I had the single VXF in the black project, which is the black box. And I went to the car show, and I was metering my car for the first time, which I got a 141 off the black project. And somebody was over my shoulder, and they were like, bro, just cut it up. They said, just cut it up, just send it. And I was like, nah, man, I want to get it tuned properly. I want to do the right thing. He's like, man, fuck all that. He said, just send it. I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm about to send this shit. And it did fine. It worked. Riding home from my homie's house just on regular music, I forgot to cut the amp down. I hear a loud ass boom, and then no bass. So I already knew what that was. I was like, fuck, I done blew it. So when I did that, I was like, well shit, I need a temporary sub until I can order my recones. Because I had every intention on ordering recones, but it's like the day I went to order recones, everybody was magically sold out. Like, I can get a specialty recone made, but I don't know. There's a guy I think I might check out. It's like 160 a recone, which isn't too bad. But let's go ahead and get to what I got y'all here for. So, like I said, I ordered a temporary sub. And when I mean temporary, that's every intention I had was temporary. I didn't want to go mainline. I wanted to do something that nobody was doing. So, with that, of course, I got the low budget of the budget. I spent $130 on a 15-inch sub that is rated, get this, 3,500 watts max to do a voice call. And nah, I'm gonna tell you that now. It's not that. I'm gonna let y'all see it on this unboxing, cause this shit's crazy. My bad, Chris. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this around so y'all can see it. So yeah, 15-inch die-cast aluminum frame, 3-inch 4-layer voice coil with large gauge wiring. I'm gonna tell y'all this now. It does not have large gauge wiring. Increased power. It doesn't. 120 ounce ferrite magnet. Okay, cool. Treated foam surround. Non-pressed paper cone. Poly cotton suspension, dampening violent accelerations. Hold on. We have something. We have a poly cotton suspension, dampening violent accelerations. I thought accelerations was only for cars and like objects with wheels. I didn't know a subwoofer could accelerate. Like it can go fast, boss. It can go fast, real fast. But ASV voice coil leads prevents potential damaging. That's the kicker. 1,750 watts RMS, 3,500 watts max. Yeah, this is a D2, by the way. I put 800 watts on this. And yes, I know, because I have an AMM1 that I hooked up to it, so I know what I was really putting through to it. The amp was cut down, all of that. But I put about 800 watts, and well, I'm gonna let y'all see. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna let y'all see it. So we're gonna get to this something. So you get the box, of course. That's what it looked like. Didn't read that. Oh yeah, I did. So you get around it. Oops. Hold on. All right, my apologies. We had like kind of a little oopsie daisy, but we got it back right. Let me make sure I'm still connected on the mic. Yep, we still blinking blue. So well, when I got it, it was $130. Now it's close to $200. But for $200, you can own this. When you open it, you would get like a little piece of paper spec sheet that says exactly that. Of course, you have like a few more things, odds and ends, yada yada yada, but you get all of that on the piece of paper that's gonna be right there. And then you pop it open. Now, I just gotta warn y'all, for $130, I did not expect this right here. I didn't. Like, bro, for $130, I shouldn't have got this. I shouldn't. I really shouldn't have. But this is what they sent me. Like, bruh, this is what they. Wait, where's it at? Where's the sub at? Hold on, guys, we got a problem. We might have a problem here. We might have a problem. Oh no, we ain't got no problem. I forgot. Both of the ones that they sent me were blown. Both of them. Well, not both of them. This one came to me blown. This one I put 700-800 watts through, and she seized up. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, you can see the coil. I can move it up, but I can't push it down. This one over here, same. I mean, I could push this one up and down, but yeah. Oh, little double stack. Like, look at these little tinsel leads, man. Like, what are we supposed to do with that right there? We can't do nothing with those. And that's supposed to be 1,750 RMS. Man, get out of here, bro. These little push terminals. I couldn't know. Hell no. Like, the design is all right. The surround looks decent, but bro, like, come on, man. You expect somebody. I know a bunch of people are gonna do it, but you expect somebody really to pay $200 for something like this? If you want to pay $200, put like another $30, $40, $50 on it and get you something decent, please. Like, I'm not gonna little odds and ends like they did, like, you know, the gravity right there. The basket looks decent. I mean, it's not a bad. It's not like a little bad sub, but I said 1750, 3500 max. You want me to show y'all what I did? That shit ain't that. That shit out of here. Hey, look. I know this ain't the kind of review y'all wanted. I don't really care. D-Lo Higgins, I keep it real. I went into this knowing that this wasn't gonna last long. So the crazy part is I ordered the first one. The first one was blown. I reached out to the company, emailed them. They sent me another one like a week later. That one I blew with the 700-800 watts. I waited about a week again for another replacement. The replacement never came. I emailed them that just go ahead and refund my money and I'll move on to another company. They weren't really trying to hear that. They sent me another one plus my money. So I'm waiting on a new sub from them apparently. This time I'm gonna put even more through, see how long it will last. D-Lo Higgins, baby. Hey, look, we're gonna be back when we back. Best believe. I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to drag the hell out of this review. I got y'all here. Might as well keep you for a little. So yeah. 1750, right? Gravity Warzone. I mean Gravity. We need to get this together, man. If it was 1750, I wouldn't have blown it. I wouldn't have a broken voice coil. I wouldn't, like, 1750 through these little small things. You kidding me, right? You gotta be kidding. Like, it's not a bad looking sub. Got a little dual slug on the bottom, 120 ounce. Little push terminals, I think like either 10 or 12 gauge, something like that. But I don't know, man. And the crazy part is they're selling this now on Amazon for like $200. Oh, you best believe I posted this video up there for them to see. Like, if you scroll on Amazon, please look for the comment that has a YouTube link, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna find this video. I guarantee it, because people need to know. People need to know that bullshit is bullshit. Like I that's all I know. The design is good. Like, you got double stitching. You got, I want to say, a fiberglass right here, and then I don't know. I can punch right through that. Like, oh, hold up. Wait a second. Bro, you kidding me, right? Do y'all see that? Hold on. Hey, look, bro, do y'all... What the fuck is this? What is... Hold on. What? If I'm not... Is that like another dust cap? I thought that was supposed to be open. Like, isn't that supposed to be, like, have a hole right there so it can breathe? If I'm, like, not mistaken? Oh, yeah, this is how you know it was cheaply made. Look at that shit. It already came apart. Look at that. I ain't even got it. Because there's barely any glue on that. I wonder if that's why it blew. Like, I'm curious if that's the reason why it blew. I know when I picked it up, I put my hand through it, so I know I ripped it a little, but this is crazy. I shouldn't, hold on, I shouldn't be able to do this. Let's see if I can do it over here. Oh, it ain't gonna do it. Maybe it was just that side. I shouldn't be able to do that. And this is from under. Yeah, this is This is ridiculous right here. Hey, you... Yo. Gravity. Gravity, 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 gravity. What the fuck? Why? How? Y'all are really passing off stuff like this? Bro, y'all should be ashamed of yourselves. Y'all should really be ashamed of yourselves, because y'all are dead wrong. Bro, y'all are dead mother... Ooh. Hey, you know what? It's alright. I know exactly how to do this, best believe that. Just continue. We gonna continue. D-Lo Higgins, baby. We out. Wait until the next one. Peace.